For Abuja, the trial of Nnamdi Kanu continued on June 19, 2025 for Federal High Court as the matter enters serious level. Justice James Omotosho dey preside and the DSS bring out the fifth witness wey come give fresh testimony on wetin dem say happen during EndSARS protest. Ten sion still dey high as both prosecution and defence dey drag over evidence while the court still dey control who fit enter or no fit enter courtroom. The witness yarn say im be part of the team wey dem send for 2021 to investigate wetin happen during EndSARS protest, especially the destruction of government properties and killing of security people. E come submit 3 documents give the court wey be report on the protest, list of officers wey die and their death certificate. Dem mark am as exhibit PWD2, PWD2A and PWD2B. As defence lawyer Onyechi Ikpeazu SAN begin cross-check am, e question the document say the papers no get proper certification, no photo timestamps and dem no clear how e take relate Nnamdi Kanu to wetin happen. E still ask why dem carry IPOB report join wetin suppose be EndSARS matter. The court also still no gree make Kanu sister enter courtroom, say she dey do secret filming. Dem also order im brother make im submit im phone and eyeglass to court security. After the witness finish, prosecution lawyer Adegboyega Awomolo SAN come tell the court say dem don close their case. Kanu lead defence counsel Kanu Agabi SAN come talk say dem go file no case submission and beg say make court give dem 14 days to do am. The court come agree and give prosecution another 14 days to reply. The court come adjourn the matter go Friday, July 18, 2025 to take adopt all the written arguments. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.